You're working a 9 to 5 job and you want to learn how to make money online. But when you type it in online, all you see is people telling you to take surveys online and do all this crazy stuff. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 surefire ways on how to make money online from the comfort of your home. What is up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I show you how to make money, how to invest, and how to be more successful. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, ever since learning how to, create these new ways to make money online, I figured it's not really great to just hold these things to myself and I should, share it out with people. So I'm going to be showing you 7 ways that I actually use to make money online and you can actually use to make money online as well. Now, the first way is Fiverr.com. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr.com is, it's basically a freelance marketing place where you can get things done for as little as $5. But you're not the person actually buying today. You are going to be the freelancer actually providing the service. Now, these things can include logo design, video spokesperson gigs. You name it, Fiverr probably has it. Now, you can go on the actual website and figure out what gigs you can offer because there is a lot of them. I mean, they have anything from business plan making to essay writing to, the list goes on. But everybody is talented in something. I don't know who you are as a person, but everyone has a talent and there's probably a niche on Fiverr for you to monetize. So definitely check out Fiverr. I'll leave a link up here for a video if you want to learn more about Fiverr, but Fiverr is a great way to make some extra income online. Now, number 2 is e-commerce and drop shipping. Now, in today's day and age, all we do is shop online. We hardly go into malls. We hardly do that local shopping. We're always just ordering things online. So instead of being a consumer, why not being the person that provides the actual product? It's gotten so easy that it's in a form called drop shipping where you don't actually even see the product. The product comes directly from supplier. All you gotta do is basically hook up the buyer with the supplier. You're basically the middleman. You're collecting the money. You're using the money that you get from the sale to pay the supplier. Everybody's happy. Now, number 3 is Upwork.com. Now, Upwork essentially is Fiverr, but a more professional version of Fiverr. Now, on this website, you can actually charge an hourly rate for services. This can still include logo design, maybe coding, things of that nature. But basically, you can get paid way more than you do on Fiverr. I mean, you do get paid a lot on Fiverr as well, but on Upwork, you can charge way more. You can charge a lot hourly and you can get a lot of gigs. You get a lot of clients all around the world. There's basically no ceiling onto the amount of clients that you can actually get. And you're basically doing it from the comfort of your home. So if you have a full-time job, you can come home, you can work on your Fiverr, you can work on your Upwork. All is great. Now, Upwork is definitely a great way to make some money online. So definitely go ahead, check it out. Do your research, as I said before, but definitely a great way to make some extra money. As you know, everything has basically become digital. Tutoring has been a part of that. Now, as a student, I know as a fact that getting tutoring is kind of hard because you have to figure out a way to manage your job or your classes and try to figure out a way to put tutoring in there. And sometimes the tutors aren't available at the time that you need them. With Chegg Tutoring, they basically have tutors at all times of the day, and you can be a tutor to help people all around the world. As I said before, there may be a subject that you excel in. I know there's subjects that we're all bad in, but there's always that 1 or 2 subject that we're just awesome at. You can basically be a tutor, get paid somewhere between $20 to $30 an hour for your time, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't even have to do it for long. You can choose the amount of hours you do it for. You can do for maybe 2 hours, 3 hours every single day, or maybe 3 days out of the week. Make your extra little money online from the comfort of your home, and everybody wins. You get to make money from the comfort of your home, and that person gets actual tutoring from the comfort of their home wherever they are, but they get your help, which is awesome. Now, number 5 is something that has been around for a while, but a lot of people don't really know what it is still, which is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's products. And you may see it a lot. What happens is on YouTube, you may search for something, you may search for a review on something, and you actually get somebody's opinion on a product. But what happens is you go in that description and you press, a link down in their description. Lo and behold, it's something called an affiliate link. And basically when you press that link, the person that put the link in and, you pressed it, they essentially get a commission for you, pressing that link. Different links or different offers have different, ways of how you make your money. But basically, Amazon, for example, if someone goes into your description and presses an Amazon link, I think Amazon actually puts a 24-hour timer from when that person pressed the link, and anything that they buy on Amazon within that 24-hour period, the person who led you to Amazon gets a commission for that, which is awesome. Like, imagine having a library full of videos or a library full of places where your links is all over the place and people are clicking them and buying things and you're getting commission off of that. Doesn't that sound great? So definitely affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to create the product, but you're essentially selling other people's product and you're just getting a small commission or a small portion of the sale, which is great. You just have to figure out how to monetize it, but it's great. Now, number 6 is becoming an influencer. Now, influencers basically influence you to get certain products, but they also help you with certain topics or niches. Like an example of an influencer is somebody you follow on social media, someone that you just watch heavily and you just see what they do and you tend to follow in their footsteps. Now, becoming an influencer is great because you get to create your fan base, create a following, have people that love you, and basically just emphasize and just do everything that you do. But you can also monetize on that and create money online with that. People such as Kylie Jenner, who has created a lip kit and basically used her fan base and has just sold a large amount of them. She's almost a billionaire, guys. I mean, becoming an influencer can be great for some people, and in a world where social media marketing is becoming a full-time job, why not start now? I mean, it's a great way to make money online while creating a fan base, and it's something that you can do from the comfort of your home. It's a win-win. The last one is starting a blog. Now, before we had all these videos and stuff, people tend to write blogs, and people still write blogs. They are still highly sought after things. People like to read still. But if you're a person who likes to write long paragraphs and essays, why not start a blog? There are so many different ways to monetize blogs. There's advertising, there's, affiliate marketing. You can actually put affiliate marketing into your blog and actually put links to products in your blog and sell them. You can also sell products in your blog. There's so many ways to make money off of blogging. So why not start blogging? If you have a great idea or if you have a niche that you're interested in, why not start a blog? It's great. It's a way to make money from the comfort of your home on your laptop, doing something that you love. If you love talking about dolls, if you love, talking about basketball, who knows what you like, but you can type about it, you can write about it, help people, but also monetize that. It's great. It's a win-win. I hope my 7 surefire ways on how to make money online has helped you in some way. In the comment section below, let me know which one of these steps or tips you're actually going to use to start creating money online. I would love to understand and see which, one that you choose, because that would be great. I'm Brandon Young, teaching you how to make money, investing, and how to be more successful. I'll see you in the next video.